To begin, open EzDent-i with the patient chart selected and click Acquisition at the top of the screen. Next, select Ceph from the modality options on the left side, and then choose the appropriate cephalometric option from the modality section on the main screen. This will open the acquisition interface. Here, you can select patient settings, including gender options, man, woman, or child, and patient density settings based on the patient's body size. In the image options located at the top right, you will find two settings: normal, standard image quality; fast, a low dose, quick scan, 1.9 seconds. Moving down to the Ceph examination area, this video is focused on the PA and Carpus Ceph images. Once you click your selection, just click Confirm, and we can position our patient.
In preparation, have the patient remove all metal objects from the neck up, including necklaces, eyeglasses, earrings, and any other metal objects.
Our Ceph positioner to the PA or lateral Ceph positions. To move this, the easiest way is to move it at the very top, touching the top horizontal platform. The Nasion bar folds up, folds down. Also, if we press the side buttons here, we can move this up or down. Our ear rods are easily moved at the top of the bar. We want to push these in. Let's look at positioning for a PA Ceph. I'm going to rotate the overhead to where the patient is going to be facing the sensor. So I'm going to have you go ahead and step over here and go ahead and walk forward. I want to raise the machine up either on the touchpad if your Ceph has a touchpad here, or by our touchpad or up and down here. So get this lined up right with the ear canals. I'm going to have you go ahead and take a small step forward. I'm going to switch over here so I can get her positioned. With my fingers at the top of the overhead, I'm just going to gently push these in and ensure that our patient is lined up. And I'm going to maybe rotate a little bit. We're going to move these interiors. I'm going to have the patient look forward. We're going to step out of the room and we're going to take our image.
Now we can return to our acquisition screen and click Ready on the screen, and we can take our image.
Hold the button until the image acquisition is fully complete. After image acquisition is complete, I can go ahead and release our patient out of the device by moving our ear rods out, and you can go ahead and take a step back and out of the device. Let's look at capturing our Carpus shot. I have my Carpus plate, which is one of the accessories. This is going to fit into the overhead, but first I want to rotate my overhead out of the way. I'm going to insert the Carpus plate. I'm going to have my patient come and stand basically facing me. So if you want to go ahead and stand and face right here. And our patient is going to basically go ahead and raise your arm. Let me get it around the side. We're going to have our patient raise their arm and place it flat on our Carpus plate right here. Note that my fingertips are below the top of the Carpus plate and the wrist is above the base of the Carpus plate. Next, I'm going to go ahead and step out of the way and take our image.
Now we can return to our acquisition screen and click Ready on the screen, and we can take our image.
Hold the button until the image acquisition is fully complete. To remove the Carpus plate, we're going to grab this and pull down to remove the plate.